Hello? Yeah, I like vagina for some reason, and I've been having quite some problem for quite some time now. We are here. Yeah, we are here. Yeah, clean up, fuck. Yeah, make some noise with my bench truck. Clean the fuck. Yeah, making noise with my bench. Cha, cha, like elemental in the castic. Oh my god. Rest in peace to the car that I got. Cocaine going up and down like a roller coaster. Hold up, motherfucker. I got paper peso from Jamaica. I fuck on a bitch from DR. I fuck on a bitch from Cuba. Like Colombia. Got a Colombian. I got it for the fucking members. Like members only. What's a number? I don't need a number. Baby girl, I need to feel on that fat vagina. I'm like, hey. I gotta make a noise. Hey, I gotta wet, dripping like a funky faucet. Got this in the kitchen, whipping with the cookie. I got the dough, who wanna lick the spoon? I got the big broom, hit him, get the pussy wet like monsoon. Hit him up with a K, the connection is coffee. Can't stop me, nigga, cough up blood. You're lying in the coffin, that's a box. Just relax, motherfucker. I'm making noise again, I'm out the store, out the door with a fucking Gucci belt. I got this for the helter skelter. I make it melt, motherfucker. When I'm in Brenda, I got it like ice cream. Who gon' scream for this killer? Who gon' scream for this killer? I bring a knife with me, like the Tesha Miller. I got it for your fucking city. I feel on your baby. I feel on your Britney. Down on the knees again, like in Britain. I got this with the fucking British colony. I got this for me. Who wanna fuck with me? I just got a fucking felony. You know about this body that I call noisy. I got this for the fucking jail. This not a jail, motherfucker. Cold red. I got it instead. These niggas gon' die. Cause I get them buried, dead, buried alive. You know about my style. Got this with the knife fight, fucking juggler shit. That's a fucking contestant. I got it like the fucking Joker in the fucking Benz. In the fucking Benz, function, fucking up a function. I got it for the laughing gas. I can't stop making noise. I got this in the fucking Android, like, oh my god. Making so much noise. Yeah, make some fucking noise. For real, I got more dough than kilos. You know about my sombrero somewhere in New Mexico until I pull up on the fucking locals. I got it for the natives. Feeling on Pocahontas, poker, cause the Panani fought the tightest. You know about my thoughts, the illest. The elites can't sleep when I'm fucking on a bitch. They wonder where my son went or my daughter. I got this Peter Polk, I got Stoner. I hit him with a hot lead, that's the copper. I sip on Coca-Cola for the Santa classes with the fucking Santa classes. And I got this with my thoughts nasty. Not a kid, on the list. Yeah, I put him on, pick him off the nicest. I told y'all niggas I'm the nicest. And I'm not even racist.